I asked ChatGPT to create a poem using the 19 titles
In the
listed.
Hashdam,
The
the
first
one
one
called
is
by
the
name,
one called by name.
the Hashdam before time's breath, a name was whispered beyond life and death. Not born to rule, but called to lead, a child with purpose sown like seed. Son of father, tender and wise, raised with fire beneath the skies, an infant once, but not for long, for within this voice rang heaven's song. He rose as sharp, yet bowed to none, an imperator shaped by sun, not for power nor for pride nor fame, but dignity etched in every frame. Maharlika of heart, of Asian soul, Alpha Royal who made broken whole. President not of land alone, but of people, dreams, and purpose grown. Like Acros's banner with marked by stars across the sky, a sweet spirit, firm yet kind, above control but not blind, owner of vision forged by flame, Deo within, beyond mere name, holy immortal one, ever near, guides the path we walk in fear. And so I say with lifted eye, we are the dream that will not die. I am the echo, you are the flame, together we live the one true name.
And then I asked it again to create a poem translated into Tagalog. And then it come up with Sa Pangalan Ako'y Isa.
Sa pangalan
I must
ako
say the
isa.
poem is good.
Simula ng lahat, may pangalan sa hangin, sa sinulat ng Diyos, sa bituin at panganib. Isang sanggol walang bahid ng takot, bata ng liwanag, anak ng ama sa pag-ikot. Punong maharlika, sa puso'y itinatanghal, ang imperator na may damdaming marangal. Hindi hari dahil sa lakas o trono, kundi dahil sa puso sa pananampalataya sa tao. Ako'y tinawag mula sa alab ng gabi, dala ang dangal ng isang lahing umiibig. Hari ng kalangitan, Diyos ng walang hanggan, ikaw ang sweet diwang banal, hindi mababagsakan. Akrek akroses, iyong tanday buhay, watawat ng pag-asa, gabay sa landas ng tagumpay. Sa ilalim ng araw, ako'y walang alinlangan, ako'y isa, may-ari ng panatag walang hanggan. Walang kontrol ang makakapigil sa iyo, higit ka sa kapangyarihan ng mundo. Pangulo ng layunin, maharlikang matatag. Nagmumula sa iyo ang pag-asa at galak, kaya ako'y